I think na nabiling yung gift sa room. Hi guys! So, bago ako naabot gikan sa among Christmas party. And I received a lot of gifts, which is I'm very thankful to my students, to the parents of my students, and even to my co-teachers, and to our principal. So, the first thing is, ang exchange gift me, which is from our teachers and principal. So, ang akong wish list, number 1 is kani. The one that I'm using, which is the TNW 360 selfie stick with 2 lights. Mana siya akong gamit karon. So thank you so much to Ma'am Rhea for this gift. Mo gini akong gipangan. Okay, gusto kong palit sa kani and ako na nga mo na lang ako i-wish list. So thank you so much our principal. Thank you Ma'am Honey for this one. Chocolate and then another one cookies. Thank you so much Ma'am Honey. So mo ni siya. This is a cake. See? So cute. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much Kian and to your family. Thank you so much. Student Ben. Thank you Ben for this macaroons. Thank you so much Ben. From Lucas. Thank you Lucas for this one. This is delicious cream wafers. Thank you Lucas. By the way, napade another sa akong wish list. Supposedly this is iPad stand. But I'm not sure if kaya ba niya. We'll try later on. If kaya niya. Next is from Teacher Jasmine. In exchange gift kami ganina. This is a aroma diffuser. So na siya free. Nani ang kuan guys. Nani siya kadako. Nabutangan mo siya tubig. And na po siya free nga aroma. Tulo ka po. Thank you so much for Paralax. Thank you so much. It's from Casey, a t-shirt. From Pen Shop. Thank you. Thank you, Case. It's from Kai Kai. Thank you, Kai, for this one. Let me give a wrong spelling. It's open. Wow. Nana ko yung free soap. Dua ka soap. Dove soap. Thank you so much, Kai Kai. And then, Vaseline lotion. Actually, nakagamit na ko ani, pero mahal mag siya doon. Kasarap ko ni order. Kaya mahal lagi. Thank you, Kai Kai. And then, apa isa. Perfect. Timing because ang tuwalya is wala gyud. Ang tuwalya is karaan kaayo. Sakto kaayo ang gift. Ano kay bagong tuwalya guys? Hindi ko kailangan palit. Okay. See? Ano kay bagong tuwalya guys? Kailangan mo palit. Thank you so much Kai for your gift from Bench. And then from Kali. Thank you Kali. Let's open it. Wow, perfume. Golden berry mistletoe. Aray ko. Let's try. From mistletoe. Uy, humot. Thank you, Kali. Thank you so much. My Chuti, Arturos. Thank you, Arturos. Charo. This is cream bar chocolate. Hello, delicious. Thank you. Thank you so much, Art. This is from Timothy. Ano siya? Oat Choco Healthy Food. Healthy food and then another Copenhagen. Hindi ko balas ng Copenhagen. Ano siya? From Timothy. And then Bon cookies and cream. Wait, saan yung pulburon? If it's pulburon, I know it's not pulburon. Thank you so much, Timothy. Thank you. Oh, pang New Year, pang Christmas. From Zoe and her family. Thank you so much, Zoe, for this wine. Maghubog tani. Karong Pasko of New Year. This is Lolea and one. Thank you so much. From RX. This is just a combination. From RX. Ano siya? Thank you so much, RX, for this one. Let me see. Next, this is from Gianna and Sky. I think na nabiling na gift sa room. From Gianna and Sky. This is a bag from Seco Sana. Oh, diba? Nice color. Ay, ito. This is the bag. Nice ang color. I like it. And nasa free wallet. And then this one. Let's open the wallet. Okay. So, diba? With free wallet. Turn na siya, guys. Thank you so much, Sky and Kali, and to your parents. Thank you so much. Seco Sana. But guys, na inabili na gift yun. Sa school. Wala dili. Wala dili. Ba? Nabilin din siya. Napadain. This is from Leona. A gift card worth 500 pesos from Lizandra Boutique. 500 pesos. Thank you so much, Leona. From Pasok Family. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm back. Nibalik kong skillahan. Kaya nabilin ang duha ka gift. And tulo, it's tulo di ay tulo ka book. So may gani kay duol ra ang school sa ako ang sa mong balay. Duol ra ang school sa mong balay. So let's continue. Okay. So this is from Shane. Thank you so much, Shane, for the gift. Let's unbox it. Wala this good joke. Usually man good. Yeah. Smash. Thank you, Shane. Thank you so much. This is from, next is from Jad. Good? From Jad. Toblerone. Thank you so much, Jad, for these 2 pieces of Toblerone. And lastly, from RX. Thank you so much, RX. From RX. Let's open. I knew it's perfume. Okay. When I receive it, I smell it. Wow. This is Aromatics. Aromatics Miss D. Miss Dior. So strong. The smell is really strong, but let's see. More on classy and young smell. Familiar. Kind of familiar scent with Zara. I like the smell. Miss Dior. If you want to, you know, feel like classy, expensive. Thank you so much, artist. Thank you so much, everyone. This is everything. So, kailangan mag-arrange. I need to arrange the things. It's low. Guys, the light is low, but no. The other one is low, but awkward. By the way, this is my outfit. I'll show you. See? This is my outfit for Christmas. I really love this dress so much. So that's it. You can see. Look at that. I have to arrange it. I have to arrange it, guys, and take a picture of it. So I'm very, very blessed and very thankful for everyone, for those who give, and even for those who do not. Thank you so much for all the blessings. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. My wish list is the tripod. I love the smell, by the way. The perfume, it's really good. It's really expensive. The smell is really expensive, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, and Merry Christmas. May God bless you all. Bye!